In this video, I will be demonstrating our frequently purchased products tool. This tool gives you access to your account's full buying history over the past 18 months, whether you ordered online or not. You will need to be sure you are logged in to take full advantage of this tool. Once you are logged in, frequently purchased products can be found in a couple of different ways. The first is by clicking your account dashboard and scrolling to the frequently purchased products widget. If you do not see a frequently purchased products widget, simply scroll to the bottom and click the plus circle that says Add Tile. Find the frequently purchased products button and toggle it on. Close out, and now you should see the frequently purchased product widget on your desktop. You can move the widget to wherever you would like on your dashboard. Drag the double arrows at the bottom right corner of the page to change the size of your widget. Click the link here in the bottom right corner to expand the widget and get a full page view. The second way to access frequently purchased products is by clicking My Account in the top right of your screen. Frequently purchased products is about halfway down. You may find it helpful to expand the number of products viewed on a single page here. A simple click of the Export to Excel button here will export your frequently purchased products to a handy Excel file. Hover your mouse over this green frequency indicator to see how many times you've purchased this product in the past 18 months. Clicking this arrow will toggle you back and forth between the highest and lowest number of times the product was ordered. This area gives you not only product description, but a look at our live inventory. The next field shows you the last date you ordered this product, as well as the Viking Electric order number. The last field shows you the PO number you used when this item was ordered. Note that pricing is also live and specific to your account. You will see that you can also place an order from this screen if you choose. You have several other ways to search. Description, manufacturer number, your part number, or the Viking Electric part number can be used in this field to search. Narrow down to a specific date in this field. If you know the Viking Electric order number, you can search for that using this field. Finally, you can enter a PO number in this field to find out what items were ordered using that PO number. Try using multiple fields to narrow down your search even further. That concludes our frequently purchased products demo. If you have any additional questions on how this tool can benefit you, don't hesitate to reach out to our Viking Electric digital team at viking.online@vikingelectric.com. Thanks for watching.